You hear that? You hear that? Yeah. It's really cold out here. I'm gonna see if I can get it to idle. Still doesn't want to idle. I think I got an exhaust leak. I'm not really sure. Sure stinky.
Okay, there's Ben.
All right.
Driving
So
the
it's
58.
running. It's in park, so we're gonna see what it does. All right, that's neutral, so
Put it in drive, Ben.
let it roll down the driveway.
I'll put it in drive.
That's an awful sound. All right, it's in drive. It's not doing anything. See if it's got reverse.
Put it all the way to low. Give it gas. Give it more gas. I don't want to push this car, Ben.
It runs, it doesn't drive.
Put it in reverse and try it again. You didn't unhook the linkage when you were...
It smokes real good. Is it going?
It's going.
This is what transmission fluid does in a transmission.
Makes the
It
car
makes the
go.
car go. This is the first time this car is driven since 1971. I'm driving around the block. I'm gonna go all the way around the block.
And honk the horn on the way.
And my contacts in my steering wheel are obviously not working because whenever I turn the wheel it honks. People are gonna think I'm rude or something. There it goes.
Look at us, look at us.
My power steering's groaning. Stop it. The brakes work somewhat. It stops the car.
Oh, that's good. Why'd you change your mind?
I'm gonna see if the reverse works. Alright. Hey, it goes backwards too.
Generator lights on.
Oh, it sure doesn't stop very well. I'm sorry. I don't mean to honk at everyone.
So are you gonna just drive it in?
I just drive back in the garage because it needs brakes. And my wipers don't work, but that's okay. The car, driving the car around, and I'm honking at everybody while I'm doing it. So I think I need some power steering looked at. It's kind of groaning. Oh, it's annoying. Stop it. Yeah, that's going to be addressed here soon.
All the way up so we can get the garbage cans out.